Welcome to this session about navigation in iiQWorks.Sim. In this video, you will learn how to orient yourself inside the simulation environment and how to use the most important navigation buttons and shortcuts. These skills are essential when you work with virtual commissioning and simulation inside iiQWorks.Sim. First, take a look at the upper left corner of the user interface. Here you can find a small drop-down menu. This menu allows you to customize the Quick Access Toolbar. By clicking on the small down-facing arrow, you can add or remove commands. Once customized, the Quick Access Toolbar gives you direct access to frequently used functions such as New Layout, Open File, Save As well as Undo and Redo. Having these commands always visible can save you a lot of time during daily work. Depending on your layout, this toolbar might be located below the main ribbon. You can change its location by clicking the according button in the Quick Access Toolbar drop-down menu. If you ever accidentally move or close windows and can no longer see your simulation view, don't worry. You can either drag the window back to its original position, or you can use the Restore Windows function. By clicking on Restore Windows, all views are reset to their default positions, and your simulation view becomes visible again. Next to this, you will find another drop-down menu that allows you to show additional panels and features that may currently be hidden or collapsed. This helps you adapt the user interface to your personal workflow. Additionally, other configuration windows might pop up in front of the simulation layout. If this happens, you can either return to the simulation layout by selecting the corresponding tab, or by closing the other menu with the X on the top right side. Now let's move on to navigation inside the 3D simulation. To select an object in the scene, simply click on it using the left mouse button. Once an object is selected, several options become available. One of the most important ones is Fill Selected. This command centers the camera on the selected object and adjusts the view so that the object fills the simulation window. To rotate the view around an object, press and hold the right mouse button and move the mouse. This allows you to orbit smoothly around the selected object and inspect it from all angles. To zoom in and out, use the mouse wheel. Scrolling forward moves you closer to the object, and scrolling backward moves you farther away. If you want to quickly jump to another object, hold the Ctrl key and click the right mouse button on that object. This performs the same action as Fill Selected and immediately centers the view on it. After that, you can again rotate around the object using the right mouse button. For a smooth and continuous zoom movement, hold the Shift key, press and hold the right mouse button, and then move the mouse forward or backward. This creates a smooth camera transition, which is especially useful when presenting the layout to an audience or customers. If you want to see the entire simulation at once, click on the All icon in the View controls. This adjusts the camera so that all objects in the simulation are visible. For translational movement, meaning moving the view left, right, up, or down, you have two options. You can press and hold the mouse wheel and move the mouse, or you can press and hold both the left and right mouse buttons at the same time and then move the mouse. Both methods allow you to pan the view relative to the simulation. In the bottom left corner of the simulation view, you can find predefined camera views. These allow you to quickly switch to standard perspectives such as top view, side view, front view, back view, or bottom view. You can also select intermediate angles. These predefined views are very useful if you have a preferred perspective and want to quickly return to it while working on your simulation.
We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the KUKA channel for updates and new videos. For hands-on trainings and courses, head over to the KUKA College. Keep exploring and learning with us.
Making automation easier.